Hi everyone, Angela here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be shortening a zipper and adding a fabric tab to the end. First, cut your zipper to the length that you need. Cut a thin piece of fabric 1.5 inches wide. Place your zipper on top of it, and then we want to cut the fabric so that it's about 3/8 of an inch or centimeter wider on each side. Now, keeping the bottom edges together, wrap the fabric around the sides of the tape, and then we're going to stitch 1/4 of an inch seam. Back tack at the beginning and end, and also back tack over your zipper teeth to make it a bit stronger. Now flip your fabric down and pull tight so that you've got a nice clean neat edge at the top. Finger press both sides of the fabric evenly. Now turn up the bottom edge 1/4 of an inch, and then turn it up again so that you're matching that bottom fold to the top edge of the fabric. Next, you're going to edge stitch all around the fabric, and just make sure that you match the top and the side edges together. Use your snippers or another tool to help you keep the fabric in place, and when you get to the corners, make sure your needle is down before you pivot. You can use a thinner piece of lining material for this tab if you're going to be putting the zipper on the inside of a garment. And there you go, you've got a 1/2 inch tab. If you want to make a bit bigger, more decorative tab, cut a piece of fabric that's 2.5 inches wide and follow the exact same steps as before. So now you've got a 1-inch long tab, which is really good to use on bags. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, happy sewing.